Alongside this was the rise of video games, virtual worlds full of either simulated hyumuhman interactions with non-hyumuhmans or barely hyumuhman interactions with real hyumuhmans. The rise of internet porn occurred at the same time, tapping into the monkey brain to simulate hyumuhman sexual interaction. Meanwhile, dating apps reduced hyumuhman interaction to systematic filtering and text communication. There is a seed germinating in my mind. I am creating a system and structure for collective ideation, reasoning, and truth determination. Subscribe or follow to watch the seed grow.